Dear friends, Easter is a time of joy, renewal, and new beginning. For many families, it is a time to celebrate with loved ones and exchange gifts, especially for children. When it comes to choosing the perfect Easter gift for kids, there are many options to consider. One popular gift idea is a basket filled with Easter themed goodies. This could include chocolates in the shape of bunnies or eggs, jellies, beans, peeps, marshmallows, treats, and small toys or trinkets such as stickers or coloring book. Personalizing the basket with the child's name or favorite color can make the gift even more special. Another great Easter gift option for kids is book. Easter themed books can teach children about the history and significance of the holidays as well as provide entertainment and inspiration. Some great options include The Story of Easter by uh, Patricia Pinky or Lama La Lama, Easter Egg by Anna and Wendy. For children who enjoy outdoor activities, consider gifting them a kite, frisbee, or sidewalk chalk. These items provide hours of entertainment and encourage children to get outside and enjoy the spring weather. Arts and craft supplies are also wonderful Easter gifts for kids. Consider a set of watercolor paint or DIY Easter egg decorating kit or a set of colorful markers. These gifts encourage creativity and allow children to express themselves artistically. Finally, consider a gift that promotes learning and education. Puzzle sets, board games, or educational toys such as science kits or building sets can provide hours of fun while also teaching valuable skills. When choosing an Easter gift for kids, it's important to keep in mind their age and interest. A gift that is appropriate for a younger child may not be an exciting for an older child. So make sure to choose something that is age appropriate and tailored to their interest. In conclusion, Easter is a wonderful time to exchange gifts with loved ones, especially for children, whether it is a basket filled with chocolates, goodies, or books or outdoor toys, arts and craft supplies, or educational toys. There are plenty of options to choose from. With a little bit of thought and consideration, you can choose the perfect Easter gift for the child in your life. If you like our ideas, hit the like button and subscribe our channel.